Yo! Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some Minecraft NickGamerYT14 with the gay skin. No, I'm gonna change that because it looks gay. It looks gay. But there's a not very good one, so I'm just gonna. That looks so good. Let's play. Okay. Servers, let's do this. Okay, going in. Yeah. So we're gonna do Money Wars or Sky Wars. This is gay. There we go. Okay, that sound. No. Okay, just to let y'all know, I am not the best. I have to make it into the hole over there to play. Three, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. No, we don't really need that. But we did need that. Okay, all we need is the helmet. Oh, we'll take that. Now we're all good. Whoo! Well, I died.
Yeah, I'm taking over the channel.
Nah.
Yeah. Okay. Get rid of the noob out of here. Play again. Let's play again. Yeah, you can tell this is different than Nicholas because, you know, I'm pretty much amazing at parkour. When I can see, thank you very much. Get out of my way. I'm quitting. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna go work at Walmart. And you know,
Except for that, this isn't his channel.
I'm taking over whatever the crap this kid's name is on YouTube.
Make sure to go like and subscribe. Remember that I'm his cousin. Like and subscribe at Connor Hathcock YT. Who subscribes to him? Subscribe to me, Nick Mendenhall.
Nicholas doesn't care about you. At my channel, everybody is loved. Go away, Nicholas!
You're ruining my recording, taking your channel. Come on. What are you doing? Okay. I'm pretty much way better than Nick at this. So, yeah. Let's go like this. And watch this amazing jump.
I believe I can fly.
Connor made a jump! I always make jumps. I'm not stupid. I'm better than you. I know I'm taking your channel, Nick. Just deal with it. What the? Yeah, you think that. Yeah, I quit. Go subscribe to me at Connor Hathcock YT. Here's your normal person. Okay, let's get back to this game. Ow, quit it. No, I get the gaming chair now, bro. But I don't want the chair that breaks my butt. Get out of here. Nah, I'm gonna make my world.
This is my account. What are you doing?
I know.
Little castle called White Rock Castle.
You only have 10 worlds.
Bedrock. Castle.
Nah.
No. Nope. Nope. You're not creating a new one. Go for it.
Dang it. Okay. Bro, that's what I'm calling it, okay? Nah, I'm gonna make myself the operator. Let's create this world. Let's go, let's go. This takes too long. Minecraft. You know, a lot of people think this game is gay because a lot of people now play Roblox, and Roblox is better. But you know, Minecraft is still pretty cool, bros. Minecraft is still pretty cool. Hug on it. The only thing in common between Minecraft and what's it called, Roblox, is that the controls are the exact same. Oh no, what's in common? Why is it dark as crap? Okay.
Okay.
This is weird. Food. There. Okay. No, we don't need to do anything right now.
Go sponsor the
Nah. Okay, I will. Okay, let's give a shout out to who's this made by? Whoops. Wee. Right here, RH. You said the entrance. That's the entrance, dummy. Okay, let's see this. Shout out. No. Okay. Shout out to Blockception. Twitter, www.twitter.com/Blockception. Just says the exact same thing. Yeah, it looks like he's pretty awesome because this must have took a long time to make. Don't you think, Connor? And it looks like he actually made the moat around it. See? He made the moat. Whoa.
That would be sick if it's resin.
Yeah. So let's just give him a shout out because pretty dope that he made this whole thing by himself. I like the stairs. The way these stairs.
You admire the stairs out of the entire
No,
castle?
the castle is dope. But I like how the stairs aren't like actual stairs. They're slabs. And wait, can I break this? Oh yes, I can. Shh. Don't tell anybody. He'll never figure out. Wait, that means I could just come here and destroy his whole castle. But I'm not gonna do that. True. No, there's nothing in this. I could take a sleep if I want, but I'm just gonna spam this because I don't like it. It's just weird how they pop up. Like, why can't you take naps? Yeah, a few days ago, I was so mad, so I just took a nap. Like, that's what chills you down, bro. Shout out to naps. Yeah, probably. It's pretty dope world. I'm gonna kill this cow. Get out of here, cow. Exactly why. No, if you're a vegetarian. Oh wait, never mind. I don't hate you people who are vegetarians. Steak. Yeah, let's. Actually, yeah. If you comment, eat more meat, then what should we do? Shout out. Yeah, we'll give you a shout out. And so, yeah, I think that's gonna be all for this video. Please subscribe. Do all you can. And